Thermal cameras for HVAC are essential for detecting leaks, insulation faults, and inefficiencies, improving maintenance accuracy, energy efficiency, and system reliability. My today's video is about top 5 best thermal camera that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at Acumem's thermal camera. The GT16D infrared thermal camera stands out as a highly practical and intelligent diagnostic tool for both professionals and homeowners. Its UIRAcine smart recognition system simplifies complex inspections by offering preset modes for moisture, insulation, floor heating, electrical faults, and solar panel analysis, allowing users to quickly switch scenarios and detect issues within seconds. The dual-mode functionality enhances flexibility, enabling continuous thermal scanning for broad area assessment while also supporting precise point-based temperature measurement when needed. With dual-spectrum imaging, thermal and visible light data are combined, making hidden issues like water leaks, insulation gaps, or electrical hotspots far easier to identify and verify. The upgraded imaging clarity, boosted by deep learning enhancement, delivers sharper 240 by 240 visuals and smooth 25 Hz real-time performance for detailed analysis. Its wide temperature range, high accuracy, and advanced features like alarms, emissivity adjustment, and level control ensure dependable readings across diverse environments. Combined with long battery life and ergonomic design, it offers efficient, user-friendly, and reliable daily inspection performance. Now our second product is Flow Thermal Camera. The Flow One thermal camera is a compact yet powerful diagnostic tool designed for professionals and advanced home users who need quick, reliable thermal insights directly from their smartphone. Its USB-C compatibility makes it especially convenient for iPhone 15 and newer devices, turning a phone into a capable infrared inspection device without bulky equipment. The Vivid IR Super Resolution technology enhances low 80 by 60 thermal data up to 240 by 180, while Flow's MSX feature intelligently blends thermal and visible imagery, making edges and structural details far easier to interpret in real time. The built-in inspection guides within the app are particularly useful for beginners, helping users systematically identify issues like air leaks, moisture buildup, or insulation failures. With an accuracy range of plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 5%, it delivers dependable readings for most practical scenarios. Its rugged, job site-ready build with 1.5 mm drop resistance ensures durability. Our third product is Top-Down Thermal Camera. The TC004 Mini Thermal Imaging Camera delivers a strong balance of portability, durability, and professional-grade diagnostic capability, making it highly suitable for HVAC, electrical, and home inspection tasks. Its enhanced thermal clarity, starting from 128 by 128 resolution and upscaling to 240 by 240 using TISR technology, ensures more detailed and reliable thermal visualization, while the 40° x 30° field of view and 25 Hz refresh rate provides smooth, wide-area scanning for efficient inspections. The device stands out with Smart Alert functionality, automatically triggering warnings and capturing photos when temperature thresholds are exceeded, which significantly improves workflow efficiency and documentation accuracy. With support for manual image capture and large internal storage for up to 8,000 images, it is well prepared for extensive field use. Temperature measurement range from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius with automatic hotspot detection and multiple color palettes enhances usability across scenarios. Long 15-hour battery life, rugged 2-meter drop resistance, and IP54 protection further reinforce its reliability, while its pocket-sized design ensures true on-the-go convenience. Now number 4, Flag Front Thermal Camera. The Flag Front YXI96 thermal camera delivers a strong combination of clarity, accuracy, and rugged portability, making it well-suited for professional inspections across HVAC, automotive, and electrical applications. Its 240 by 240 super resolution imaging significantly enhances detail compared to standard thermal sensors, while the 25 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth, real-time scanning without lag, which is crucial during fast inspections. The built-in temperature alarm system adds an important layer of safety and efficiency by instantly detecting abnormal hot or cold spots and displaying maximum, minimum, and central temperature readings for quick interpretation. With a wide measurement range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit and plus or minus 2% accuracy, along with adjustable emissivity and distance settings, it provides dependable precision across varied materials and environments. Its 50 degrees wide field of view improves coverage during scanning, reducing missed areas. Designed for tough conditions, the device's 6.6-foot drop resistance and IP54 rating ensure durability, while its compact handheld form makes it highly practical for field use. And our last choice is HVAC's thermal camera. The HF96 thermal camera is a well-rounded and intelligent inspection tool designed for professionals who need accuracy, speed, and usability in a single compact device. Its IntelliFault AI scene recognition system stands out by automatically detecting issues like water leaks and insulation gaps using deep learning, significantly reducing manual interpretation and making thermal diagnostics more efficient. The live super resolution enhancement up to 240 by 240, combined with 50 mK thermal sensitivity and smooth 25 Hz refresh rate, ensures highly detailed and responsive imaging capable of revealing subtle temperature differences before they escalate into major failures. Its 3-in-1 functionality, thermal camera, thermometer, and laser pointer, adds versatility, while intuitive controls and multiple color palettes improve usability in varied environments. The device offers strong measurement reliability with a wide temperature range and adjustable emissivity for different materials. With features like 11-hour battery life, large storage capacity, PC analysis software, tripod support, and rugged IP54/drop resistant construction, the HF96 delivers a highly capable, field-ready thermal inspection solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.